Hi, I'm Tom Baxter, personal trainer, and we'll be showing you today, continuing on our TRX high intensity interval training routine. The focus is lower body explosive power, so really targeted more towards your athletic, explosive, fast twitch muscle fibers. We are going to be working kind of one side unilateral exercises. So there's loads of different ways you could do this. Depending on your level of intensity, you may want to do it time-based, so say 30 seconds per leg, or you could even have it on a repetition count, depending on what your focus is. If it's pre-season, kind of more higher repetitions, maybe lower load, and if you're looking for more strength gains, then increase that load and then keep the repetitions lower. So really it's open for you to choose. We're going to focus in on those movements and making sure you can do this efficiently and effectively now.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old.
Alright, so because some of these, as I've said, are unilateral, we want to show you how to set this TRX system up. So you're going to pass that one handle straight through the V shape and then back through on itself, so twice, and then that should create a nice solid V shape with the one strap. Okay, let's get yourself set up. So one foot's in the strap now, and we want to be going with our TRX Lunge with an explosive jump on this. So really making sure that you're jumping to your level, your ability, always maintaining tension in that back foot. As you would with a lunge, taking that hip back, and then on the drive up, you want to leave the ground and really make a nice big powerful knee tuck up in the air, landing soft and straight back into the next repetition. Now the next one, we've got hands in the straps, and we're gonna have one leg on the ground. We're working our overhead single-legged squat. So big focus here is shoulders down and back, engaging through the lower trapezius and the rhomboids, keeping the hands up, arms nice and straight. And when we drop down into our squat, we're maintaining the foot flat on the ground and taking the hips back and down to your range of motion, your comfort.
I'm thinking about old times.
Okay, so hands on the straps. We're now doing explosive, either some people call these skaters. You might be looking at more like a unilateral explosive jump side by side. So with this exercise, be light on the hands with the straps. We want to make sure that we're keeping the knee stacked in line with the toe, which you can see as I perform this. Lastly, we're going to go with one foot in the strap. You can see I'm now set up 90 degrees onto the rig. So turning yourself side on with one leg rested in. We're going to be really challenging our adductors and slightly the hamstrings and the glutes with this one. So we're making sure as I go down, that leg is taking, my body's going to be moving away, but I'm making sure I'm keeping my weight distributed evenly over that standing leg. So again, keeping knee aligned with, say, second and third toe, and just dropping down to my comfort, my range of motion. For me, that's around 90 degrees at that hip. Some of you athletes may even be able to go a little lower with that.
And now that you're gone.
All right, awesome. I hope you're feeling a good burn on those legs. I know I was through this one. Making sure for each of you that you're giving yourself enough rest and keep that focus towards your sport and your focus and the time of season. And I'd recommend going through those 4 exercises, both sides of the body, at least 2 to 4 times, giving yourself about 2-minute rest between each exercise. You can hit both legs back to back. That's how I did it. And we'd love to hear how that worked for you, how much, what a burn you got. And if there's any kind of questions or recommendations and things that you want to see, myself here, Tom Baxter at Baxter's Body Balance, and Jesse Minty, the champion at Healthy T, who is videoing this right now. We'd love to hear what you guys want to see, and we will deliver. Thanks for watching.
Moving on, see